Hey, good afternoon, rail fans. Special shout out to an Alex Reyes and Jack Keelas for giving me the heads up on this train. Met those two guys for the first time. Very nice guys, very helpful. Anyway, where am I? What am I doing? What am I chasing now? For those of you who don't know Sussex, I am in Sussex right now. I am standing on a bridge that used to be the old Milwaukee Road, or a spur off of the Milwaukee Road that went through Sussex and went over the Canadian National, which was formerly the Soo Line. So that's all fine and dandy, but what I'm really interested in is what's behind me, like right there. So that's another train track. That's the Union Pacific. Used to be the Canadian or Chicago and Northwestern, but you all know what happened to the CNW. So why I'm here is that I'm going to catch a CN on the UP. The GT Heritage Unit and another CN locomotive are pulling a train through the Union Pacific and should be appearing on that bridge in a couple of minutes. And the chase to get this train was kind of a pain because it sat in Butler Yard for a long time. And I've been sitting here for a long time, to the point where it's starting to get dark out. And hopefully I'll have some light here. But nonetheless, I thought that'd be pretty neat to catch the GT unit crossing over the Canadian National tracks versus being on it. This isn't, quite frankly, going to be the greatest video ever because the bridge that you can maybe see behind me has large girders on the side, which is going to kind of obscure the view of the locomotives. But I figure when I look back a couple of years from now, it'd be pretty neat to see this GT unit on the wrong tracks. And also, unfortunately, there is a southbound CN coming, but it's not going to be here in time. That over-under catch would be dreamy, but well, I'll have to make do with just the GT unit. So anyway, enjoy the catch. CN GT on the UP. This is Rugby Junction signing off.